Okay, here I will show you how to do multiple time series by using tidyverse package in R. So I will share the screen now. Okay, screen. So this is what we want to prepare by using R. So we have multiple time series, and we want to see maybe relationship between altitude with year in this time series. So this is what we want to prepare. So for this one, we need to use this line of code. So you need to install library tidyverse. If you don't have this library, you can install this library tidyverse by using install packages. Uh, Packages tidyverse. So you can install it, but I have already installed this library tidyverse, so it will not install. So run this library tidyverse and then go to your set your working directory. So this is the working directory. You can copy up here your working directory in the folder of your Windows, and then make sure it's double here, and then so you read your working directory and then you read your data, altitude data. So this is the altitude data. So yeah, this is the altitude data I have. What do you call, I have transposed this data from the original one to make sure that the column head is altitude, and the year row is year. So this is the arrangement of our data. So we want to prepare a time series. No need to prepare one by one or something like that, or prepare this table. Nobody show this kind of table in paper. So we want to prepare a graph, so that time series graph, so that people can understand your data. So but understand your data based on visualization. So this is the data that you the code to first to convert your data long. After you read your data here, read your altitude data just now, CSV file. Make sure that is in the format of CSV file. And then the data long, you have the data, and then pivot long, use pivot longer. Negative, remove altitude, name altitude values to value, and mutate it by using altitude factor, altitude levels equal to call names data, negative one, altitude as numeric, and then run this one. Okay. And then you create a time series plot with thicker lines and each year labeled on the axis. So we want to have time series to be thicker. So we use line width uh, function here, and then we want to use each year in the label of x-axis have the year. The year is mentioned in the x-axis. We don't want some year to disappear. So we use ggplot to prepare this graph multiple time series. Use our data long just now that we have convert. Use AES. X is altitude. Y is the value of year. And then we use color. So altitude will have different color. Time series will have different color. And then this is what we add a little bit just now. Line width, we make it more thicker. 1.2. And then this is just what we call notes. If anything that have this hashtag, is just a note here. So scale X continuous, we want don't have any breaks. Altitude here, like unit time series, like yeah, X is Y is altitude. The title is time series of altitude value. You can change what is the title of your figure. The color will be based on the altitude, and then team minimal, team legend position equal to position of the legend will be at the bottom. So we run this one, and then we have this time series. So for 1 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 7 until 10 kilometer. So you can see what is the influence of altitude here. So we can see 7 kilometer is quite high. And then I don't know. You can interpret this relationship by yourself. What does this mean? This is how we present our data, not show the table, so that people can see a relationship between data easily by using visualization, time series, multiple time series like this. Okay, just use this code to prepare multiple time series. Thank you.